Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 26th. You see, if you are not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, first of all, we will start with the trend. We all know that before you actually place a trade, first thing you would want to ask yourself or you would want to know is what is the trend for such movements. And we can see that GBP USD is actually an uptrend move. Clearly, price is trading above our moving average. Then there was a pullback here, which is more visible on the weekly time frame. You can see the pullback here, right? Then now a new high has been made, which will go to the daily time frame. You can see that this new high has been made. We saw that it actually came to hit this ice, right? Then price gave us a pullback. Now price is actually pushing up. So let's see if tomorrow, if possible, we would have a breakout at this level. So I think there will be a news on USD that will be released tomorrow. So let's see what that news will come about. So this GBP USD, we want to see it go bullish. So if the news will come out not well, then I believe GBP to USD will definitely go bullish and break out this ice. So a new ice needs to be made. And since with the forward time frame, so let's try and take out this level, which is the ice. So let's see if we can make about 50 pips for the next day.